Hey guys, on today's video we'll be inside Disneyland Park in the Critter Country area riding on Winnie the Pooh. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
And being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seats with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
Set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! Hang on tightly, Roo!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Branded way. If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Tiggers just love giving presents.
Wasn't that fun?
I'm sure you'll like mine.
Well, like a lot of the Fantasyland dark ride attractions, Winnie the Pooh is one that I don't go on a ton. But when I do, I always appreciate it, and I'm glad to have gone on it. It's always cool too that ride takes place inside of where Bear Country Jamboree was. And for some of us old school Disneyland fans, the Bear Country Jamboree was super cool. And there's even one part of the Winnie the Pooh attraction right at the start where you can turn around and kind of see them paying tribute to the Bear Country Jamboree, which is super cool. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.